Om Shanti. Whole world should be in peace. That is the desire. From the from the beginning of this social life, people always thinking peace and peace, peace. Shanti. In Vedic period, always in all prayer ends with Shanti, 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 peace, peace, and peace. So, our ancestor Rishi, they decided without peace, this world will be not happy. Freedom will not come. Richness will not come. Prosperity will not come. So they told peace will come. How? In Vedic period they have given Sat, Chit, Anand. Existence, consciousness and blissfulness, they are together. If follow the truth, then welfare, goodness will come. Goodness and plus truth, then blissful and peace and ananda will come. When the Pauranic period came, they changed for peace. They chose no. Three pillars of peace. Sat, Satyam, Shivam and Sundaram. Follow the truth, then will be good. And Sat and Sundaram, that will be beauty. Beauty your life. Beauty will come in your life. Beauty will come in social life and international life and the whole world. That Sundaram, that beauty, that beautification, that will give the peace. And then after that, Mahatma Buddha came. Mahatma Buddha told, no, love, truth, and then Shanti. They should come together. If you love to everybody, to each other, so then peace will come. Love and follow the truth. Don't be lie. Then peace will come. Peace will come. Here we have seen many kingdoms. Mostly I am taking the three kingdoms. Then what? And then in the Ramarajya period, Ramarajya came by the Ram, Bhagavan Ram. That was the peace period of the peace, kingdom of peace. Then in the Dwapar Yuga, that period came, then Dharma Rajya, kingdom of righteousness by Yudhishthir. And third period came in our period, Kali Yuga, this modern period. Then Vikramaditya came, Chandragupta Vikramaditya came. He established one kingdom, that is a golden kingdom, only peace was there. Three kingdoms we have seen on this earth, Ram kingdom and Yudhishthir kingdom and then our Chandragupta Vikramaditya kingdom. So there they established in own period peace, peace and peace. So we have traditional values. We have the traditional thought, that philosophy, how to peace will come. At this modern period, this is the not modern period. Before was a pre-modern period, then modern period. This is the post-modern period. In this post-modern period, big problem has come. We use the technology through our intelligence. We have knowledge, we have information, but need is a wisdom. Wisdom and vivek, discriminate to analyze what is right and what is wrong. This wisdom is necessary. This wisdom will come and then peace will come on this earth. First was first period actually animality. People has animal quality. Now we are the period of humanity. But third stage is a period of divinity. It is the duty of the all good people who was worried to make a peaceful earth. So there is a duty, force, pull, push to the every human being so can go to our divinity, then peace will come. Yogi Arvind, they explain, many books he wrote, how man will go to be Superman. Very nice book he wrote. He did in 1950. He left the body, experiment not completed, but some doing. So Vivekananda tried, how the peace will come. He told very hard. He told in America, very hard. But can anything, any process you can explain how peace will come? He's told in Islamic body, Islamic is a strong body, always they are fighting. Islamic body, heart should be Christian, brain should be Hindu, like Sankaracharya, and way of living like Buddha, then peace will come on this earth. Otherwise, not very hard, but try. With the grace of God, peace will come. It is a necessary. Now, pray to God and improve the values, way of living. So the view of life, how to be a good man, can make education man. Education can help to make peace. Political power also can help to peace. But nowadays, politics as a playing the politics, and then education has up till now not a complete idea how the give the education to the children to make a peace land, peace earth, Mother Earth. So many people try to peace, time to time. Peace, socialism try, democratic front try, capitalism try, but everybody fail now. Then, due to fail, First World War, then Second World War, so many people died. They burned under the atomic energy. Now again problem has come. Peace will come on this earth or not. People asked great scientist Einstein, peace will come earth. He became silent. He asked, First World War, Second War finished, Third World War when will come? Your thinking will come? One thing I tell, when will come I can't say. But Third World War will start on this earth. There are no human being, no plant, no animal. Everybody will be ashes, dust. They will be dust. Nothing, life will be not here. Living being will be not here. So I can say, now everybody fear to how to protect this world, then how to peace will come. Second experiment more we did, how peace will come, globalization. How globalization? But that globalization depend on economical progress. Economical progress can't make a good man. Guy can't give the comfort. But globalization, economical progress can't give the peace. Can't give the peace. We have seen now globalization as in the decaying period, deteriorating period. That is no hope. So how peace will come? Only one. That is, I'm not talking about religion, not talking about the sect. I'm not, peace will not come on the base of one book. I do not believe that any one people can give the peace. Peace will come. One mentality is necessary. all the variousness, all the differences, how we together, diversity in unity. If this type of the thought will come, then spirituality will come. Spirituality will come, then peace will come. That period need the experiment. Now the period has come. Everybody think how to propagate the spirituality, how to propagate the inner peace. And inner peace, then external peace, outer peace, then we can establish. Oh, that is not impossibility. That is impossible, not impossible. That is possible. Because all type of technology and means we have, a TV, a radio, digital society we have. We start a movement. We can start the movement. They started 1945. United Nations established the United Nations Chair Carter and the International Law for Peace. They prepared. Many countries started to fight. They jumped with the Peace Corps, Peace Army. They sent, not successful. At last, Norway had did experiment. Nobel Prize, Peace Prize. He started the International Peace Prize. Who do the work for peace, I will give honor then. Peace honor I will give. But as the Jainism told, Geo or Jane do, live or let live. Then if this motto will come everywhere, that will be very helpful to establish the peace, Peace, Geo and Geno, the live and let live. Oh, there is one Mahatma Gandhi told, live for living, live for life. So you live to give a new life, to protect life, serve the life, Mahatma Gandhi told. So then in our tradition, in Gita and Ramayana, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, whole world is a big family. Whole world is my family. These feelings should grow. How to grow? Then our scholar of the East, they has given in China, Japan, India, they have given the big idea. First thing, I am soul. Second thing, same my soul is in other body. Think all this body, soul in all plant and animal. This oneness, not diversity in unity. Unity should change in oneness. When oneness feeling will come, then peace automatically will come. There will be no caste, no community, no country. Everybody will be one. That is on the day of the Peace Day, International Peace Day. We are celebrating the Peace Day here in my Brahma Vidya Peetham. So I am thinking, please, everybody think how to peace will come. I am telling to Anandaji, Anandaji can organize the program and collect the all speaker, intellectual people who can help for the peace kingdom on this earth at present time. So Om Shanti. Many organizations doing work for peace. Sanatan Dharma doing, Arya Samaj doing, Sai Baba did, and then many organizations, they did this work. Up till now they are doing. Christian, Hindu, Muslim, and then Jews, they are doing. Many political organizations doing for peace work, but necessary to come under one platform, above the one platform, under the one umbrella, then peace will come, very possible. I am not looking that is very hard work, that is impossible, possible. But start the journey, you will achieve the goal, peace will come on this Mother Earth. Is very good, beautiful Mother Earth. Please, all of you, through the peace process, protect this Mother Earth. Hari Om Shanti. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.